In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an iCloud email quickly and efficiently. Whether you're tidying up your inbox or getting rid of old messages that are taking up valuable space, the process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to access iCloud's website, so open your preferred web browser and navigate to icloud.com. If you're using a device that you frequently use to access iCloud, you might already be signed in. If not, you'll need to sign in using your Apple ID. Make sure you have your credentials at hand, and if you've enabled two-factor authentication, be ready to receive a verification code either via text or through another trusted Apple device. Once you're logged in, you'll see the iCloud dashboard displaying various app icons. Here, you'll want to seek out the icon for Mail. Go ahead and click on it to open up iCloud Mail. If you have multiple email accounts, double check that you're in the correct one within iCloud where you want to delete messages. In your inbox, you'll see a list of all your emails. Browsing through the numerous messages might take a bit of scrolling if you have a lot stored. Once you find the email or emails you wish to delete, simply click to select them. You can select multiple emails at once by holding down the Command key on a Mac or the Control key on a Windows PC while you click on each email. Now let's proceed to the next step. You'll see a trash icon usually at the top of your email list or in the toolbar. Clicking this icon will immediately transfer the selected emails to your trash. Sometimes you might also see an option that says delete message, which achieves the same outcome. Keep in mind that moving emails to your trash doesn't completely wipe them from your account just yet. They'll still occupy space until you clear them out permanently. For permanent deletion, head over to the trash folder within your iCloud Mail. Check to confirm all the messages in there are ones you truly want to get rid of, because once emptied, this action cannot be undone. When you're ready, you'll find an option to empty trash or something similar. Clicking this will permanently delete all the emails within the trash folder, and there you have it, your iCloud email is now clear of unwanted messages. Remember to regularly check and empty your trash to ensure your storage doesn't fill up. Deleting emails is a simple yet effective way to maintain an organized and efficient email environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your emails better.